Introducing InTech, the first portable smart projector that projects in full 4K resolution. And yeah, it's portable, like put it in your bag and take it on the road portable. We're not just talking a projector. InTech is a full-on portable entertainment system, included with a stackable attachable speaker, Bluetooth connectivity, Wi-Fi capability, and even built-in storage. That means you can play all your favorite shows and movies whenever and wherever you want, all in crystal clear 4K. InTech is small, portable, and super easy to set up. It's a fully modular system, stacks seamlessly and connects wirelessly, which means you can break it down in seconds and set it up just as fast. Use your phone or the included remote to browse your settings and apps, or connect a device via HDMI. The omnidirectional speakers provide stunning sound all around, no matter where you place it. And 3D projection gives you a unique portable 4K experience. Best of all, InTech's stand allows you to swivel it seamlessly in 360 degrees and stand it upright so you can watch your favorite shows on the ceiling. No more craning your neck in bed. Watch your shows fully relaxed or enjoy a beautiful night under the stars. Whatever you do, wherever you are, whenever the time, you'll have crystal clear entertainment right beside you. InTech, 4K just got portable.
That's how the wire protector was born. The wire protector is made using the best heat shrink tubing. It's 3 times thicker than the original cable's tubing, coupled with an added adhesive layer to seal it in place. It is durable, so it can withstand the test of time, and still flexible so your cable does not lose any mobility. The wire protector requires an easy 30-second application using only a hairdryer. Anyone can do it. Our patent-pending adhering method makes this industrial product easy to use by everybody in the comfort of their home. The wire protector not only patches old cables, but also protects new cables from wearing out. It can triple the lifespan of the cable. You won't ever need to buy another charger again. The wire protector comes in 8 beautiful colors, so everyone can choose their favorite, and nobody at home has to fight over which charger belongs to who. We believe in creating high-quality, long-lasting products, and the wire protector reflects just that.
At Kloska, we keep our eyes on the future. For us, design is a tool aimed to serve you and society. We create products which help solve the great challenge of today. And we do this by combining the right attitude with deep commitment and understanding of value and beauty. Because it's true, we can make tomorrow better if we change our ways today. Forget everything you know. We present Kloska Bottle. It's a whole new way for you to carry and drink water. And with it, we are turning something we all do every day into an statement. The design is intelligent, elegant, timeless, and highly functional. A fashionable accessory which fits perfectly with your everyday style. The flexible silicone coating means it can easily embrace to your backpack, bike, or a stroller. So you don't have to carry. Instead, just wear it. We believe technology is part of the solution. Which is why we also created the Kloska Water app. With it, you'll find the places closest to you where you can refill your bottle. Absolutely free. Yeah, absolutely free.
Hey, that sounds good. I'll see you in a bit. Okay, bye. So you might not have been able to hear that, but using Ori, I was able to have a call. And that's because Ori is a voice assistant ring that turns your finger into a smartphone, all through just a touch of the ear. But why? That's because the way in which we're using our devices is changing from a world where we use screens and touch to one where we talk. Now, Ori uses bone conduction. And bone conduction has been used in many medical-grade devices. We've packaged it in a way that it sends vibrations through your finger directly into your ear so only you can hear. And that allows you to hear and talk through just your finger. And Ori is more than just a neat gadget for taking and making calls. because behind it is powerful voice artificial intelligence. Our friend Siri and Google Assistant. It puts them exactly where you need them. Think about all the different things that you can do. And one of my favorite, translation. All you have to do is just motion upwards and you say, Ori, how do I say where are the burritos in Spanish?
¿Dónde están los burritos?
¿Dónde están los burritos? And just like burritos come in different flavors, Ori comes in 3 different colors. I guarantee you there's an Ori ring for every outfit and every occasion. And even better, Ori is splash-proof too. Look guys, I know how popular you are. And that's why you have the Ori app, because it helps you filter out everything else. And there's 4 LED lights that tell you what kind of messages are coming through. Come on. Let's hit the streets to see what people think of Ori.
Hey, Marcus.
Oh, this is actually really clear. Oh my god!
Oh, it's amazing.
I'm gonna find it. It's hard to find a beer.
Cool.